It's the first I see this root of grass. Yeah, it started to fall already. Alright. Sight.
Jamaican farmers hot.
Jamaican farmers hut.
Ready, we ready and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
What's up, my viewers? Back on the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright. Guess what's going on now? It's all about weeding out the cabbage. So I'm saying, so stick around. Yeah, and if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick to the Slick. So I'm saying, don't move the dial, don't change your channel. Watch and wait and you will see what's coming. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, yeah man, don't know. Back at it again, alright? Get some plenty rainfall recently. The whole place grew up green, grass is everywhere, you know what I mean? Yeah, but guess what? It's all about farming, alright? So yes, my viewers, it's all about we cleaning out the cabbage. Yeah, give them some fresh air to breathe, you know what I mean, so that they can spread very widely. All right, so yes, the cabbage started to fold. Yeah, it started to fold already. All right, yeah man, so yeah, it's all about cabbage, my viewers. All right, my viewers, this soil here plow lately, but as you can see over here, there's not enough grass over here because the topsoil is away from here. The topsoil is not that strong. That is the reason why most of the cabbage them are very small on this side, as you can see. But look in the middle there, there's grass. It is green. So you know the topsoil is very strong there. Alright? So yes, my viewers. As you can see, we on the farm. Yes, my viewers, we on the farm. We have Sorcy here weeding out. Okay, so soon as these cabbage weed out, then we're gonna get fresh air to breathe, and you know they can grow some more. So we're gonna weed and then we're gonna mold them. All right, yeah, when we say mold, we mean we're gonna dig some dirt around the root here. Yeah, okay, manners, blessings, brother. So yes, my viewers, we're going to mold, weed and mold. All right, so after weed and mold, yeah, we just need a little rain shower on them. That's it, and them gone again. Yeah. So yes, my viewers. Oh yeah. It's all about grass. We have some grass inside here. Yes, sir, so don't reach this side yet. So yes, my viewers. It's all about cabbage. Yeah. It's all about cabbage, my viewers. Over here, I never plant out. It's all about cabbage. As you can see. Yeah. Cabbage is wonderful. Alright. Yes, my viewers. Gonna weed and mold. Yeah. Give them some air space to breathe. Then we need a little more rainfall and then some sunshine. The cabbage is out on the limb. Yeah. Yes, sir. See what I want. Blessings. You live on the farm?
Yes, sir.
What you mean, man? Yeah. So you're going to weed and then mold?
Yes, sir. Same time.
What you mean, man?
Same time.
Yeah, me understand. What you mean, man? Yes, my viewers. So see the planet, you know. So as you can see, go right around and show you guys what's going on. Oh yeah. Cabbage looking very lovely. Yeah. Look on this one here. This one here on the peak. Yeah, this one here on the peak. Very beautiful. Alright. my people, it's all about cabbage, 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 cabbage. Alright. Look on this grass here, this root of grass. This root of grass is the first I see this root of grass. Yeah. Blessings, brother. Yeah. First I see this root of grass here. It look like cane, it look like bamboo, it look like corn, thick. It look different. You know what I mean? Yeah. Different type of grass is that, alright? Going to check the lettuce them, see how the lettuce them look. Sight. Don't say nothing. I go check the lettuce them. See what them are going on with sight. Alright. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, my viewers. The hydroponic stand. The hydroponic stand. Looking very green and lovely. Beautiful. As you can see ahead. Yeah? Very, very beautiful. Right, my viewers? This is a update on the lettuce. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers. Hydroponic stand. Lettuce ready. Yeah? Looking green and lovely. Yes, my viewers. Looking green and lovely right ahead. Yeah. Lettuce. Yeah. So I'm going to give you an update on it again. Couple days time to show you what's going on. Alright, my viewers. Yeah. The lettuce inside the hydroponic stand. Yeah, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful here, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, my viewers. Checking if water inside this drum here. This drum is the drum that feed the sweet pepper, the bell peppers. Yeah. Okay, alright. The water is very, very low. I'm going to put some water inside here.